How to turn off Repost on your Instagram posts. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off the Repost button on your Instagram posts and Reels. So if you don't want others to share your content, follow along step by step and I'll show you how to disable it. Alright, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and look for the section called How Others Can Interact with You. From there, tap on Sharing and Reuse. Under the part that says Allow people to share your content, you'll see the option called Reposts on Posts and Reels. Simply toggle that switch off. And that's it. Once you've done this, the repost icon will no longer show up on your posts and Reels for other people. But remember, you'll still see the reshare option on posts from other accounts. So if you'd rather keep your posts private and prevent others from reposting them, this quick setting will take care of that for you. This is the easiest way to stop others from reposting your Instagram content with just a few taps.